Hello, welcome to Math 6 Semester 2. I just want to show you how to kind of get around to get started here since you're just starting off. Maybe you've taken classes with us before, maybe you haven't. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit content. This is where you're going to find all of your stuff here on the left side. The table of contents gives you absolutely everything, but we want to start with like the welcome and important course information because you're welcome to be here. So then we'll go into the first assignments and then we'll actually get into the math. So the first thing that you want to click on is content, is the welcome and important course information. So you will go through each of these. You see how there are little dots here. That means you have not done them yet. Our course in math works a little bit differently when we get into the content, but we'll talk about that a little bit more later. But after I do the welcome to your course and read through it and hit the next button, this is going to turn into a check mark to say that it's finished. So you're going to go through welcome to your course, introducing your instructor, the course overview, IBS policies, grading policies. Here's a link to expectations and how to be a successful online student. Okay? All of those things will be very helpful for you, but I would recommend sitting down with a parent or an adult in your house to help you just kind of go through them. Some of it's a little bit too much for right now, so just take some time with an adult and go through that. Then you're going to want to go into your first assignments. If you're clicking through it, it should take you here, but then you're going to get into communicating with your instructor, which is me, and how to do that. You're going to send me a text message and an email. Don't forget to include your name. That's where you're going to do the initial communication assignment, and then how you're going to learn how to submit to the Dropbox, and you're going to learn how to submit handwritten work to the Dropbox. This one is really important because we are going to have a lot of times when we're going to submit handwritten work where you're going to take a picture of it or scan it and send it to me. So that's really important. So your orientation reflection, if you're taking another class, you're not going to see on a piece of paper in your own handwriting. They're going to tell you to create a Google Doc or something like that. However, for us to practice that submit handwritten work, I want you to do this on a piece of paper in your own handwriting. And then, you can give it to me. So answer the questions in complete sentences after you've completed the IVS orientation, which is all these welcome and important course information stuff. Then you're going to learn how to complete and submit a quiz, and then you're going to do this quiz on participant expectations. So this down here, this is like a link with all the videos. So you can click on it and then move past it to get your little check mark over here. But it's like a resource for you to go back to. So I don't want you to feel too overwhelmed because I looked at that page and I was like, whoa, there's like 20 videos. So don't worry about that. So that's all the stuff that you have to do to start off. If you're feeling bold and you want to keep moving, I'm going to put an introduction video into this space here. I haven't dropped it in here yet, but I'll put an introduction video that helps you understand how we're going to move through our units and what to expect, because each of our units is going to have lessons, a practice quiz, most of the time a tutor sim, sometimes not, and a unit quiz, and then some extra resources for you. So most of our lessons will be through the computer, but there's a couple of units that I'm going to put some more stuff in that's a little bit more print, and we're going to work through things. Also, when we do some review activities, I want to make sure I'm seeing how you're showing your work and can help you with things. So I'll have you write your answers down and submit your handwritten work. So that is coming. That video there is coming. You'll see it by the time you start this class, but just focus on the welcome and important course information right now, and we'll get to the next stuff later this week. So I'm so glad you're here. Have a great day and let me know if I can help you.